लक्ष्मी निवास या मालिकेतील जान्हवीच्या खऱ्या आयुष्याबाबत आज या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण जाणून घेणार आहोत. रियल नेम दिव्या पुगावकर. Her nickname is Divya. She is an actress and model by profession. She was born on 21st July 1996. Currently, she is 28 years old. Birthplace Mumbai, Maharashtra. Let's talk about Divya's physical stats. Her height is 5 feet 5 inches and her weight is 62 kg. She is an Indian by nationality and practices Hinduism by religion. Let's talk about Divya's education. She completed her schooling from DAV High School, Mumbai, and higher education from Mumbai University. Her educational qualification is Bachelor's in Commerce. Let's talk about Divya's career. She made her TV debut in Mulgi Zhali Ho in 2020. Her popular serial is मन धागा धागा जोडते नवा in 2023. She made her film debut in विठ्ठल माझा सोबती in 2023. Let's talk about Divya's family. Divya's real life mother. Divya's real life father named Subhash Pugavkar. Divya's real life brother. Divya's real life husband named Akshay Gharat. Her hobby is traveling. And favorite color is white. Her salary is 20,000 rupees per episode.